Here to pick up some wood from Steve's, and I forgot my clicker, which I have the clicker to his gate. Okay, now he's opening it. So, yeah. Here we go. Got to pick up some beams. They're 6x6x15s, but he did cut one for me. I'll follow him down. I like to refurbish things, so my neighbor gave me these. And so now what I'm doing is painting them, and I think they'll be a nice addition for my plants. But I do like to refurbish things. I like to make things, build things, invent, whatever. I like to do it all. He also gave me 6x6x15 beams. Had to use my ATV and trailer to get them up here. But yeah, I like to refurbish things, so I'll be painting these again another coat and then let them dry, turn them over, do it all over again. He said the spiders are free. I actually felt bad. I painted over a spider, and anyway, it's a new species now. It's called the white recluse. Come over here, take a break, and pick some raspberries. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Very, very good. Uh-oh, that one's getting a little overripe. And we got this one over here. More. Let me go check the blackberries now. These are raspberries. Oh wait, hold the phone. Or blueberries too. Right, here's a blackberry. Sorry, I'm eating while I'm filming. Yeah. Beautiful blackberries. These are about 3 different types of blackberries. I have Oregon blackberries too. But my friend Dee and I had planted some blackberries we pulled from just areas that we'd go pick, and we just get the roots. Planted them as small, probably like 2 feet by 2 feet, and then within 1 year they really started producing. Here it is like 6 years later, and it's a lot. So I have to make pie crust because I have to, and and I make blackberry pie. Good stuff. Check my potatoes. It's weird, I have 1 corn stalk growing in. Well, it looks like 2. Anyway, the potatoes are doing very well. And like I said in another video, I use the soil off of the land. I have a lot of decomposed granite, but with the pine needles, oak leaves, all of that mulched into the ground with the dirt, it just makes a fabulous soil.